सब चाहते हैं कि एक बार फिर से आप वापसी करें, तो क्या ख्यालात आते हैं आपके जहन में?
और ये दूसरी बार 25 साल बनाए जा रहे हैं।
मैंने ऑलरेडी शेयर किया है कि आई थिंक द रीजन व्हाई जोजिका कनेक्ट्स ओवर थ्रू जनरेशंस, क्योंकि ये कहानी हर जो एनीबडी हु इज ग्रोइंग अप feels the same thing, how to find himself, how to prove himself, you know. So ये obviously that's common, so it's not going to get outdated, that feeling. और शायद इसकी recognition मुझे रिलीज में इतनी नहीं दिखी जितना बाद में दिखी. 10 years later, I felt that the audience was really connecting with it. You know, when it released and went away. It was okay.
आपकी वापसी कब हो रही है दोबारा एज अ डायरेक्टर?
कोई जरूरी नहीं कि मेरी वापसी हो.
जरूरी है.
तो अगर जो मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल हैं जो मुझे ऑब्सेस करते हैं आजकल
जी,
वो एक अलग जोन में है. अगर मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगा जो अभी नहीं कर सकता हूँ, तो यू माइट वंडर वेदर आई एम द सेम पर्सन. सो इट्स इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट जोन. व्हाट आई टॉक अबाउट, व्हाट आई speak about, what I think day and night, it is slightly very different. तो वो फिल्म जो है वो इतनी कमर्शियल अपीलिंग फिल्म बनेगी या नहीं बनेगी, इट्स वेरी वेरी डाउट. But it's a real.
You shared it on stage just now that you would consider it if maybe Raju Kirani sir wrote something or you got it explained. So tell us if the cameras were not allowed in there, so if you can
Well, I hope Raju is watching. Because he has no clue that he's trapped. What I really meant was that it has to be a thought which I want to convey. It can't just be a good script. Amir gave me a good script, but it was not dear to my heart. If it's, I can't do justice to something which is not dear to my heart. It may be a good film. It may be a damn good film.
If you can look in the
I will do justice. So, एक तो है, it has to be something which I'm thinking of. Why I said Raju is because I think that Raju, I'm not saying that that he should or he. I'm just saying that he has the ability to make difficult themes into a watchable commercial film. There are two things. I think one thing is there's too much emphasis, but that always was. There's too much emphasis on box office. And the second thing is, and this I'm sharing I'm quoting actually Farhan. He didn't say it in front of me, but I believe he said it. That people have become very over precise about shooting of film. So they become so precise that there is no time for creative change in the making. And as Amar shared that, you know, we had moments where we were in doubt. So while there are good things about planning, if we say we're going to shoot it in 45 days, and it's all cut and everything there, then you're only executing it a little mechanically. So I think that is also needed, you know, that people are...
Farah, what did you make Akshay Kumar do during the audition?
He had a scene.
Silence.
Silence, everyone.
There was a scene written for the audition where they are playing volleyball or they are playing basketball. There was a ball involved, I know. And Akshay was doing strange things with that ball.
And Mansoor sir, what made you reject him?
Because he was doing strange things with the ball.
I'm so glad Farah is
Of course, he recollects. In fact, he always tells me, and he says, but then he went on to be a leading man and he got a so I mean, it worked out all right for him. So, yes, but he does remember it very vividly.
Farah, my question to you. The perfect casting, but Amir wanted to change his image also. He'd already gone through that, and he no longer wanted to play the lover boy romantic guy. And that is one reason. And the second reason is that the character of Max is a very charismatic character. So everybody wanted to play Max. In fact, when I called and I met Kajol to play Shah Rukh's sister, and I narrated the story, and then she got up after listening to it and she was walking out, I said, Kajol, so are you doing the film? She said, I want to play Max. So that was the kind of character. Max was such an enigmatic character that Amir would never let Shah Rukh play it at the opposite.
I mean, how upsetting was that? And you know,
I was in America actually.
No, but don't you think? But don't you think?
I wasn't upset at all.
No.
He won't,
No, my question is, don't you think Mansoor sir, don't you think Jojita Vai Sikandar deserved an award at that time? I mean, to be very honest, and Amit didn't award.
See, I can't say that myself,
Okay.
but I can certainly tell you an episode that happened at that point of time. And after the awards were finished, and Jojita got best film and best editing, but it didn't get the others, which Amir felt.
The best actor.
Yeah, I believe. So you can verify with Amir on this that Kamal Hassan was there at the thing, and you have the card with everything written on it, and he had written his choices of best film, best director, best actor, and he had ticked Jojita in many categories. So I guess that was the sentiment.
Thank you so much, guys.